the morning, first day in New Zealand, and we're going straight into testing. Bags packed, we're ready to go. So Brian from NDT is coming to pick me up, and we're going to go straight out with the Supra to Hampton Downs. Let's do it. So we're at Hamptons. Everyone, this is Brian. G'day. Brian from NDT. We're going to talk to him all about this Supra that's inside there. A little bit later on, we got some stuff to sort out, but he's going to tell us all about the Supra and the amount of work that he's put in. We're going to get some food though. Seen it yet. Ooh. Wow, I can't believe. Oh, okay. You've made this to fit the bloody thing in. Hell. Damn. Alright, I gotta get productive and get this thing out. Righto guys, we are here at Hampton Downs, and today we're just going to be doing a little bit of testing. So Brian's brought the car out. We're going to go over later on in this video the amount of work and effort that's gone in by a whole host of people to get this car ready. But yeah, we're literally just going to be in this car park area just doing a bit of testing. The car's never been run. It's done a dyno session. It's been driven sort of up and down a driveway, that's pretty much it. So this is going to be a big test for it and see where we're at, if we need to change anything. Hopefully not, because I don't think we have any spares or anything to change. So yeah, I just got to get comfy with what I got. And you get what you get and you don't get upset. And there's a lot that I've been given. Should be sick. I'm actually pretty excited about this. 2J, sequential, winters, we'll get booted up. Just got to talk to one of the officials, like do a quick rundown on what you can and can't do here. And then fingers crossed, if everything's sweet, we might do a couple laps out on the main circuit, the club circuit here. But yeah, that's only if the car is like Mickey Mouse. All right, let's just cut straight to the in-car, get into it. All right, first test. Let's see how we go.
warm.
Oh, nah. What, coolant temp or oil?
Oil.
Yeah, oil's fine to like 115.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I never let mine get over 100.
Really?
Yeah, I'm paranoid. Well, it sort of bothers me is the brakes, but I mean, that's probably fair enough.
Yeah, we can solve the brakes.
Yeah, but like, because I don't want to get too carried away, I was just testing entries. I mean, I'd love to go out there, but just the no brake thing.
Yeah.
And if I was heading for a fucking, like, if this locks up,
Yeah.
and we end up picking mushrooms, and we f something for no reason.
Yeah. It'll probably feel better with those front tyres on too compared to the others.
Oh, a million times better.
Yeah.
Like, so it's a fucking different car.
Yeah.
So what we got, and I'm happy with the floor like this.
Okay.
Doesn't bother me.
So we need to sort out the brakes.
Yep.
And ideally try and do something about stopping the rack from moving.
If we can.
Yeah. We should push.
And then just that bonnet.
Priority is the brakes, obviously.
Yep. And if we can, the bonnet, because I can't see f all. It goes up to where the windscreen wiper is, and I'm. Yeah, but I don't want to move the seat up because then I'll lose leg room. Thanks, Luke.
Anytime.
Thanks, Tama.
No worries, mate.
So these boys come out, give us a hand. All right, guys, so testing's done. We've found quite a few little issues. The brakes on the front aren't engaging at all, so it's only got rear brakes, but we've figured out the pedal box isn't quite set up right and there's a few parts missing. So fingers crossed it should be an easy fix. I'm going to talk to Drew from Direct Clutch and get the correct slave sizes, because I think it's got a 1/4 on the front and then a 7/8 on the rear. So I've got 2 different slaves. So I'll talk to him, I'll do that real quick, and then we'll go get these right slaves. And then the steering just gets super hard. These electric steering things, I've hated them, always have. I don't know how people make them work good. But yeah, I think that's to do with the rack, because the rack's actually moving heaps left to right, because I've actually put a Mark IV Supra rack in it instead of like the E90 BMW rack that normally sits in the Wisefab in the front of this. So yeah, we're gonna go back to the shop and I'm gonna play around with it while Brian, he's got heaps of other drifters he's got to get ready. So I'll start playing around with it. We'll head back to the shop soon. And yeah, but otherwise, power wise, grip wise, car's freaking, it's gonna be a beast. And driving wise, it's just it's really hard to initiate when it gets rock hard, but usually, yeah, it should be right. And then can't move the column, and it's a bit too close to my knees, so that's a bit of a pain. But it's just all little things that we can fix. Maybe not for this round, but hopefully next. We'll see how we go. But it's a good day, definitely a good day. And obviously huge thanks to Brian and like everyone involved with getting this car sorted, especially Galore Parts. Like, yeah, freaking incredible. And obviously D1NZ and everyone for getting me here. So this weekend's going to be wicked. Mount Smart. If you guys haven't got your tickets, get them online, because it usually does sell out. So hopefully this video gets out before the weekend. We'll see how we're going. But yeah, let's head to the shop now. Not too bad. How you going, bro?
Not too bad.
You want to give us a quick rundown on these cars? So JT tunes, you tuned both of them?
Yep. I take care of the tuning and the wiring of these cars.
Yep.
Cody's car is a 2JZ GE. So originally was a non-turbo motor. Obviously been pulled apart, forged, cams, springs,
yep,
bells and whistles. It's got an 84/74 DFR on it.
Oh yeah.
Makes about 600 kilowatt wheel.
Yep.
When it's turned right up. Won't be anywhere near that today. We're just doing a bit of a test, make sure it's all happy.
Yep.
And then Case's car is actually just a bone stock turbo motor that's unopened.
Wow.
Just to throw together, it's got a whole set on it. It's about 470 kilowatt wheels, so heaps of Pro Sport. But
oh, are these both in Pro Sport?
nah, so
that one.
Case's car is the Pro Sport car.
Yep.
So that's stuck to a 2.3, so obviously doesn't need as much grunt.
Yep.
Cody's car is a Pro, so that's why it's on a 265 with DFR and 600 kilowatt.
So they've both got sequentials?
Nah, Cody's car, sorry, Case's, I always get confused. Case's car's got a 4-speed G-Force,
yep,
GSR, and Cody's car has got a HETs,
yep,
5-speed sequential.
Both on Haltech?
Both Haltech ECUs, yep. And yeah, Case's car is not as advanced as Cody's car, like he's still front mount radiator, but as I say, perfect for a Pro Sport car.
Yep.
Cody's car's got, you know, rear mount rad, all the extra shit. But both cars run winches, rear diffs, and wide span front and rear.
Yeah,
so
okay.
Very competitive.
Yeah.
But Case's is probably the more simple approach.
Yep.
And Cody's car is basically just had more development with the car for longer. So.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Well, they've been driving really well this season. We've had some pretty decent results.
Yep.
The cars have been relatively reliable. Cody's car has had a bit of a weird misfire that we had to try and sort out last round, so that's what this is today is all about. We had it on the dyno this week and it was good as gold, so just want to be double sure before we go all the way to Mount Smart.
Yep. Well, good luck this weekend. You're going to have a busy weekend, aren't you?
Hopefully not.
Oh, well,
hopefully
yeah,
we just chill out.
true.
That's the way I want it to be. But how's that Supra?
It's a good start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've just the first time driving it, right?
Yeah.
So
First
there's always
time.
going to be little things.
Yeah, first time it has been driven, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you're going to have teething issues. It's just not ideal going into a concrete round with issues.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
Fingers crossed we can fix them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm sure you'll get it done.
Yeah.
Either way, it'll be a good car to drive once it's all set up.
Oh, you can feel the potential already.
Yeah.
Just grip wise and steering wise, it's 50-50, which is,
yeah, that's incredible, eh?
yeah, I've never had that before.
Yeah.
So
I can't believe how big that car is.
Yeah.
You open the engine bay and it's like, I want to check the oil. It's way the over there. It's a cool car.
So yeah, clearly we're not at the workshop. It's pretty late. I've got back to accommodation now, but we just sort of got straight into it at the workshop. Everyone sort of figured out what they got to do to sort some issues out on the Mark V Supra, and we're going to get there tomorrow morning first thing and get it sorted. So tomorrow we got a photo shoot with New Zealand car magazine, NZPC performance car. Yeah, NZPC, sorry. It's like the biggest magazine, performance car magazine in New Zealand, which is freaking cool. It's going to be on the front cover. Pretty sure you won't see my ugly mug on there. It'll just be the Supra, so it'll be good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over. So today was a little bit rushed and crazy, so I didn't really get a chance to go over the car and what's been done and everything about it. So I'm going to use some time tomorrow to basically get all you guys up to speed on what's been done, who's done what, and yeah, it's
freaking crazy build, not gonna lie. It's been put together pretty quickly, and yeah, there's just lots of people that have been involved in it. But yeah, we're just in this little car park, and I couldn't really push it because the brakes weren't actually working. So the front brakes never worked. There was still rust on them, on the rotors. So yeah, there's something wrong with the pedal box there. We're gonna sort that out tomorrow. I'm pretty sure it's back to front. Otherwise, we'll get some new slaves, put them in, bleed it up, and just take it down the driveway. And I'll know straight away because no other work. They weren't working today at all. I had to just use the handbrake because it's on a separate caliper. The steering's really strange. It's like the old 86 I used to drive over here. It's pretty much a similar setup, I guess. It's got the electric pump, which I do not like, and yeah, we're gonna have to make do with what we got there. So the rack was actually moving back and forth like probably 10 mil. The mounts weren't actually holding it, so we're gonna solid mount that on one side and then get a different bracket holder on the other, because it was bottoming out, like it was grabbing it, but it's bottomed out, so I can't properly grab it. Power wise, car's more than enough. It's got heaps of grip. I just haven't been able to really use its ability with transitioning and whatnot, because it just sort of locks up and gets. Really hate. Every time I drive electric steering car, I never ever want to get electric pump on my cars, but there's so many people using them and running them, so I'm starting to think maybe it's me. I don't know, but yeah, we got another pump we can test tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow is going to be really busy in the morning trying to sort everything out, and then we're going to go to Mount Smart to do the photo shoot, and then that's when I'll go over the whole car and show you guys. I'll probably put it on Facebook, to be honest, way before this video comes out. Today's video is all over the joint, but massive thanks to everyone involved in this Supra. It's freaking insane. Like Galore Parts and D1NZ have put together something that's going to be an absolute rocket ship come next year. Like, we're still going through teething issues and whatever, so this round I'm not expecting to, you know, wipe the floor, but if I can just put on a decent show, I'll be over the freaking moon, because yeah, there's not a lot of time, not a lot of track time, and we're straight into it, plus concrete walls and all that. I'm not trying to make excuses, I want you guys to know. So there you have it. I'm going to edit this video and a lot of others because I'm a little bit behind. Thanks heaps for watching, guys, and get ready, because this Supra is going to be nuts, and also all the other cars involved in New Zealand. I'm going to try and capture heaps of stuff, but obviously time permitting. Alright, see you legends.